Hi, that was my version of Room to Move by John Mayall and the Bluesbreakers. He featured a lot of guys in his band like Eric Clapton, Peter Green, Mick Taylor, quite a few who went on to become very, very famous. You can read about it in Wikipedia, so I won't bore you with it here. This song was actually probably, arguably, the #1 open stage jam song in any blues venues in the late 60s. And it's a great jam song today, and it's nice to see a resurgence of interest in John Mayall. Actually, great blues musician. I played it as a one finger because I'm going to make a short out of it. And of course, you don't need to play it with one finger. I'm tuned to open G today, G, D, G. You can play it with 2 fingers. My little finger and my first finger fit really nicely there. With the one finger, you can really see what's going on. That's 5 and 3. And for this whole song, we're going to play all 3 strings. And I'll just teach you the rhythm. It starts off with a C chord, 5-5-5. This song has a very specific rhythm. It's quite a lot like tequila, actually. So we start off with 5-5-5 twice, downstrokes. Then 3 downstroke. Then a mute downstroke. And then up, up, up on 5. And we're always playing all 3 strings here, so I'm just going to say the first number. And then down on 3, up, down, up, and then down on 5, down on 5, down on 3, mute, down, and then up. I'm going to try to do that real slow. A little faster. Should have done an up on the last one there. A little bit faster yet. There you go. As you go faster and faster, start off real slow. Try not to screw up like I did the second time. And just sort of get the feel for it, because it's really just up and down. It sounds much harder to explain it than it is to just do it. That's down, down, down. And then you turn around the feel by hitting down on a mute. And then up, up, up. And then down, up, down on the 3. And back to kind of like the beginning, down, 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 mute, up. You do that twice and you go up to the 10th and 8th fret and do it again. And then you go down here, do it again. So once you've got that rhythm, it's very, very simple. And there's a little tricky part to this sort of, I guess you could call it the turnaround. You go up to 8, and you miss the first one, but you still use downstrokes. So it's like the band goes. So you're after the 1. This is the 1. So 1. And it sort of steps almost out of time there. So I don't want to get too specific about down, up, down, or anything like that, because it's actually downstrokes. Down, 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 down. But the whole band's doing it, so it works. So here we go. And again. Up to F. Back to C. Hope you have fun learning that. It's a great song to jam over. And it's cool because the rhythm, being a little bit complicated, gives the rhythm guitar player something to do while the lead player's playing. And of course you would use C pentatonic. Anything like that. C pentatonic is... I'll put in a little graph. Have a great day.